Welcome to IS Sparkling. In this video, we are going to write New Year wishes. Let's start. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, like our video. Let's welcome together. Let's welcome together New Year with new hope. And a blank canvas to be painted by us. Let's welcome together New Year with new hope and a blank canvas to be painted by us. Happy New Year! A new year means a new chapter. A new year means a new chapter. I hope 2024 is an incredible part of your story. May this new year be a joyful ride for you and your family. May this new year be a joyful ride for you and your family. Here's wishing you best year ahead. Wishing you best year ahead. Happy New Year! As you turn over a new leaf, let your dreams take new height. To turn over a new leaf, let your dream take new height. New day, new beginning. New year, old friends, old times, old relations. New day, new beginning, new year, old friends, old times, old relations. Wishing you and your family Happy New Year! If you like this video, Subscribe my channel, like our video.